Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC condenser on Opel Meriva. The AC condenser is on the front of the engine. It's located just underneath this grill. In order to get access to the AC condenser, we need to remove that grill. The grill is held by a couple of plastic clips. I've already loosened them. That's the plastic clips are right there. I'm just going to pull them out and pull out the grill. That's the grill out. Now I have access to the AC condenser. In order to get access to the AC condenser, again we need to remove this AC condenser fan. The condenser fan is held by two bolts, one electrical connector and a couple of cables that are held onto the diffuser of the AC fan. They're held by cable ties. We need to cut those cable ties. First, we'll start by removing the electrical connector. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we need to remove those two relays, but in order to remove them, their cables are held by a cable tie on the bottom of the AC fan. Once we loosen the cables, we're going to remove the two relays. On this side it is the same. There's a couple of cables held onto the AC fan. We need to remove them. And next we're going to remove the two nuts holding the AC condenser fan to the condenser. Now the AC condenser fan is already loose, but in order to remove it, we need to again cut some cable ties that are holding on to the AC condenser fan, and then we'll take it out. And that's the AC condenser fan out. Next we're going to remove the AC condenser. To remove the AC condenser, first we need to remove the two AC lines that are held onto the AC condenser. This is one of the AC lines, the bolt for one of the AC lines, and the other AC line is down there. The AC condenser is held to the radiator by four bolts. One of them is up there, one of them is on the bottom right there, and there's two bolts on the other side. One bolt is there on top and one is on the bottom right there. We'll start by removing the bolts for the two AC lines. That's the two AC lines out. Next we're going to remove the 4 bolts holding the AC condenser. Now that the 4 bolts are removed, we can take out the AC condenser. And that's the AC condenser out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. That's the new AC condenser. Before putting it on, make sure it's exactly the same, and then you need to replace this high pressure sensor, and you need to take it from the old one and put it on the new one, and also fill the AC condenser with about 50 milliliters of oil, with the oil like I showed, pack 46. Once we add 50 milliliters of oil, we can put the AC condenser on the car. Putting it on the car is in the exact reverse order. We put it on, we get it with the 4 bolts, and then we put the 2 AC lines back on. But before putting the 2 AC lines on, don't forget to replace the O-rings on the AC lines, and then we can fill the AC system with Freon. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.